Are you not winning enough deals and you don't even know why? I see sales teams making the same 3 mistakes with their deals over and over again. They kill your momentum and mess up your data. Today, we're going to fix them. I'm Tom from Davame. If you want to avoid mistakes completely, grab our 14-day free trial or book a consultation using the link below. But first, are you guilty of mistakes number 1? Sales is a process, and the process must flow. The same applies also to deals. Deal should flow. So the deal should move from one stage to another, to another, to another, to another. And then at the end, of course, they should be won or lost. What happens with salespeople? They have a lot of deals at the same stage for a long time. How to avoid it? It's easy. There is a feature for that in Pipedrive. You can go to the setting of a pipeline and you can define the rotting time. It means how long the deal could stay in a specific stage of a pipeline. Let's say we have a 0 here. If I apply this feature, you can see that these deals stayed in this stage for a longer time than the rotting time. And now they are red. Another feature that can avoid stuck deals in stages is the traffic light. A red symbol means that there is overdue activity. So there is activity that should have been done already. That's really bad. If you have a yellow exclamation mark, that's even worse. It means there is no activity at all. And a deal without an activity, it's a rotting deal. Nobody will focus on the deal for a long time. If there is a green light, there is an activity planned for today, and a gray is an activity for tomorrow or for the future. So these 2 easy features can help you to make the deal flow. One is the rotting time, and second, the traffic light symbols in the pipeline. Second most common mistake is forcing people to fill out data that are not so necessary. What I mean, there is an example of filling out the field of probability of a deal. You force people to fill out this field, but they don't need to. First of all, they don't know what the probability is. They might think that they know, but sometimes they have a good mood, so it's really positive. Sometimes they are not so great, and then it's negative. But you have the data. You actually know what is the probability of winning the deal according to the large data. And you can define the probability of deals on the pipeline level. So you define probability of winning a deal in specific stages. So let's say at the beginning when you get a lead, there is just a small chance of winning the deal. But as the deal progresses, the probability grows. So after a first contact, maybe there is a 5% chance. And then demo scaled, then you get to 20% probability. And if you send an offer, the probability is much higher. So you just define what is needed and you have the probabilities here. You don't need to force people to fill out these information and they can focus on what really matters. The third common mistake is losing deals. Salespeople, they are afraid of losing deals. It's understandable. I don't want to lose deals as well, but salespeople should change their mindset. If somebody tells you, hey, we need some time to discuss it internally and we will get back to it later, salespeople should just lose the deal and let the system reopen it in the future. How to do it? You can lose the deal. You have a lost reason, reopen in a minute. You mark it as lost. And then you have an automation in the background running that will do all the magic. So if the deal is updated and it means that the deal has changed to lost and the lost reason is reopen in a minute, it waits 1 minute and then reopens the deal and creates an activity connected to this deal. Of course, you want to do it in a minute, but you can set up the delay for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year, so you can celebrate an anniversary of rejection. So let's wait another few seconds so we can see if the deal comes back or not. Oh, It's here, wonderful. We can open it. And as you can see, there is also the activity scheduled for me, so I should get back to this deal. These are the 3 most common mistakes. So be honest, how many of these mistakes were you making? 1? All 3? Let me know in the comments. Fixing these small errors will have a massive impact on your closing rate. But if you want to fix your entire sales process, don't do it alone. Go to davame.com, link is below. Let's book a call and turn your Pipedrive into a profit engine. We are on a mission to become the #1 Pipedrive partner, so smash that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thomas, out.